I like that. Fuck yeah, cutscenes. I love cutscenes.
Looks so cool.
This is not the original Risk of Rain cutscene, let me tell you.
Did the original Risk of Rain have a cutscene?
I don't think so.
But this does provide some context for the original Risk of Rain.
I have not played the original Risk of Rain before, so...
I've played it, it's much harder than Risk of Rain.
I think I tried it for like 10 minutes and just didn't click with me. Yeah, that was a pretty neat cutscene. Oh, I guess I'll do the tutorial. Fuck it. Okay, I finished the tutorial.
Alright, give me a second.
I'll create a lobby.
Alright. Damn, I completed the tutorial in exactly 2 minutes.
Thanks. I'll probably go Huntress.
Or do you send invites?
I have. Well, I think you fit join game under online co-op.
Oh, wait.
Maybe I can send you an invite. Let me see. No, I can't.
Wait, am I offline? No, I'm not.
Oh wait, here we go. There.
Very cool. Yeah, because I could not see anything on the...
So I have I can actually edit like the game rules. So
rules?
yeah. Like they're not artifacts, it's just game rules. So so there's new teleporter mechanics, which I guess these are all just like to make the game play like Risk of Rain 2 more. I guess.
Guess.
Oh, here. Oh, and you can just up the intensity of how much damage you take and deal. It's like I can make our damage like 200%,
Wow.
but I can also up the amount of damage that we take. I'll keep it at normal for now though. Just interesting. All right. I guess I'm ready.
Rainstorm?
Hmm?
No, there are still artifacts.
Oh, I said I wasn't talking about the artifacts.
Oh, okay.
I guess I'll go for Rainstorm, I guess.
Alrighty then.
Alright.
Oh, wait, I forget.
Oh,
Hello?
fun. This is different. Oh, my blink does not go as far as I think it does.
Yeah, but we can jump onto this launch pad to get up.
Is there no fall damage?
I think there is. Is it communist settings right now?
What?
Do we share money and everything? I think we do.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, my blink does not go far at all. Hold on, I'm gonna open a chest. Tell me if you lose money.
I don't.
Okay. Smart Shopper. Enemies drop extra gold. That's cool. Oh, hi.
Yeah, I think it goes about as far as commandos go.
Oh, there's Telly. It's down there.
Oh yeah, you can see the park. Yes. I got attack faster at low health. Energy cell.
I'll go this way. Oh, there is fall damage.
Yeah. I think with this one, artifacts you just find them. There's no like climbing trial you have to do.
Whoa, I found a shop.
Purple feather.
Nice. I'm assuming that works the same.
Yeah.
I got fireworks.
Nice.
Oh, you can hit tab just like in a normal Risk of Rain. I say normal Risk of Rain like this isn't normal Risk of Rain.
Technically, this was the first. Equipment shop. I got a dynamite.
Is that a red?
No, this is a equipment.
Okay, I can't tell. It's the perfect shade of red that I can't see, or orange
Yeah,
or whatever.
so this one is Risk of Rain exclusive. See these little dynamites that drop?
Yeah.
I can press my key to explode them all.
Hmm. Is this loot? Drone repair kit, let's go.
Here, use the drone repair kit on this drone.
What is it? Okay. Oh yeah, my fireworks. I got a ukulele!
Nice.
Oh, this is it. We should probably go do teleporter, huh?
Maybe.
Otherwise the game's gonna start getting hard.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Wow.
Damn.
I'll kill you.
No. Yeah, it's about the same distance.
See ya.
Shit. No. Oh, I got a smart sound.
Nice.
You get anything from the box?
What?
Did you get anything from the box?
No.
We have to stay alive.
Maybe. You're very quiet, by the way.
Let me move my microphone here.
Oh, I got an achievement. And can you say something again?
Wow.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, I got a different microphone again.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, we're here already. Oh,
That was
fast.
What? It's quite a
that?
long fall, but here's
Okay.
the teleporter.
I'm not gonna go down there then.
Yeah. Why are there fucking children here?
Oh, parents. What's that?
Crowbar. Bonus damage to healthy monsters.
All the music though.
What about the music?
Good.
Of course it is. It's Risk of Rain.
My sound just stopped at a really weird point because I clicked out on accident. That was really strange.
What the fuck? Buy a temporary item.
A temporary item.
Sure.
Wow.
Oh.
Hmm?
Huh. That's completely new.
What's up?
I got I bought temporary items, which just like they deplete over time. So now I have super fast attack speed for I don't know how long.
For some time, alright.
Yeah.
You have so many more items than me.
Oh, I do? Yeah, because yeah, that's not bad.
How far left have you gone?
I went all the way, I believe. I'm not good at staying alive.
Clearly. Ah! Got another achievement.
Oh.
Oh, there's a shop up here. There's a knife item in the shop. There's a war banner and a crowbar and a knife item of some kind. Oh, I just got a missile launcher.
Nice.
Dynamite plunger. Hitting enemies drops dynamite. That's what you had,
Oh,
right?
you got the same. Yeah.
And I got another ukulele. Oh, I got a razor wire. It's called barbed wire in this game.
Does it act the same?
Yeah,
Same thing.
I think. Wait. Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't act the same. This one, the barbed wire hurts nearby enemies. What's this? Rusty knife, chance to bleed on hit. Okay, so it's a
Tri-tip.
it's a dagger, yeah. So your shift does not stop you from fall damage in this game. Just a heads up, if you didn't notice yet. Oh, enemies take fall damage too.
Wanna activate teleport?
Yeah, I'll be on my way over. I'm ready if you are.
Okay.
Oh shit. The worm.
Ah shit, I'm dying.
Well, maybe don't do that. Oh,
I'm trying not to.
Oh, I'm dead.
Yeah, like I said, this game is harder.
Wait, what? Wait, I became a drone. What the hell?
You're my drone now. Please give me heals.
No, I'm a gunner drone.
Oh shit.
Oh, but I still have
Are you
health
just
though.
spectating?
Okay, now I'm spectating because I died as a drone.
I really hope they didn't keep the last phase of the boss fight from the original game.
Is
You know, the one
Mithrix
where you
even
have
is
to kill.
Mithrix in this game?
No, I don't think so. At least not in the intended ending.
So many childs are following you.
Guys,
Apparently,
this is not a daycare.
childs are gonna get added as a new parent type in the new Risk of Rain 2 update. Apparently, according to lore, they're like the oldest parents too, or the children.
So are they gonna be a boss or?
No, they're just another enemy.
Don't worry, I clutch. And we're gonna die now.
I'm not gonna die.
Money.
You have no hope.
I am a realist. What the fuck are these things?
And I'm a racist. We're not the same.
No, there was an item up here that I'm gonna check out. There's a something up here. Is this equipment? Oh, the fuck it is. Where?
Oh, that guy makes fire
Summon a
behind him.
ghost for every enemy in this radius. Remember? I remember this shit, guys.
Equipment shop.
Fancy Rich McGee over here. Fuck you.
Oh, I got a backup mag. Let's go.
I am under the water. Please help.
Please help me. I am drowning.
Since when do enemies have shields? Also, I don't remember the enemies being able to climb. That might be new.
Well, climbing in general is just new.
Yeah, but this is a 2D game. It was in the old one. Ah, crap. Why do I have an inferno crab?
I got you.
I used
Oh,
my-
shoot.
What the fuck?
A bunch of crabs just spawned on me too.
I don't want equipment barrels. I want regular barrels. I want equipment. That's not equipment. Gotta eat.
I thought that was you dying for a second. That notification.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Oh,
Ross.
hello. I thought you had a joint sound, Ross.
No, I don't. I've never had one.
We are playing Risk of Rain 1.
Ah, okay.
The revamped version.
Ah.
Because the Risk of Rain 1 had shit multiplayer.
I'll stream it just so you can see what it looks like.
It's like $12 on Steam right now.
Oh.
It's pretty fun actually.
My headphones like just broke before I joined the call.
Honestly, Ross, you might like this game more than Risk of Rain 2.
Yeah, it looks like it so far.
You
What?
like 2D games? 2D
Well, it's
roguelikes?
more so,
I hope we can't drown in this
The-
game.
I don't think
yeah, it's more so the fact of, having too much going on the screen at once kind of messes with my little brain. That's why I don't play Risk of Rain with so many people.
Yeah.
Or like multipliers. And that's what you guys like to do, so.
I wish I could attack up.
Yeah, you can't. You can only look left and right for your
L.
attacks.
Rat.
Oh, jellyfish. Is that a vagrant?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Should probably go find that teleporter, huh?
If we live long enough to tell the tale.
I got it. Yeah, that was a vagrant. I got a new survivor. Let's go.
Yeah, me too. Okay, where do we know where the teleporter is?
Not a clue.
Okay, well, help me kill the people over here.
I'm going this way. See ya.
I will die now because of your actions.
Well, that's your own fault for going into a fight you can't win.
True.
I could win it before everything else showed up.
Just run away.
Ow.
Ow.
I just cracked my legs on the floor.
I saw that. And I heard that.
Where is this Tilly at? Teleporter.
Up your butt.
One drone. Excuse me. Oh, it gives me things. It's cool.
The little guy.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Another vagrant.
You better get out of there.
I feel like things spawn on you when you're in combat.
Things are just always spawning.
Kinda how Risk of Rain works.
Did you ever find the telly?
No, I'm fighting a vagrant.
Oh.
He's busy.
Okay, we're good.
Fuck you.
Wait, what the hell is this? Oh, this is a fruit. Yeah, I don't want that.
Eat it. Are those crab?
Crab people.
Crab people. Talk like crab. Like
Oh, I found the telly.
Oi, let me head over to yous.
It's underwater. It is under the water. Please help me.
I'm drowning. Woo. Like, I guess you say you don't need any.
Bottled water.
Not really.
I lacked a bit. Mario.
I'm activating the telly.
1 second.
I activated the telly. Oh,
Ah,
bad guy.
it's goop.
I clicked out on accident. Oops.
Yep.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Oh, you died. Why'd you die?
Fun.
I don't know why you do that, Starry. That's kind of a bad play.
She died for the funny.
See if I help your ass.
Luckily, I still have my missiles down here.
I don't think Blake would like you to help his ass. Like, maybe just help him in general, but not his ass specifically.
Okay, I actually want this. I lied. I want the fruit.
Fruit.
Got a monster log. Epic.
Still saying it's down. You're not down. You're fine. Big wuss.
I unlocked Bandit. I unlocked my main. Alright, we're taking off.
Alright.
My computer's being a big wuss.
Why?
It's saying it doesn't have internet when it very clearly does, because I don't have an internet antenna, so it has to be plugged in.
Hive cluster.
I'm assuming this is
Eat
5
it.
stages. This is Sky Meadows music. Oh. Okay, we're good. I can't platform. A lot of chests down here. A lot of shit to spend money on. If you're rich. Not me.
Kill some monsters.
Hey, a mountain shrine! Sorry, you want a mountain shrine?
Not quite.
I hate these jumping fuckers.
Yeah, they weren't in the original. They're not OGs.
Yeah, what do you mean original? You mean Risk of Rain 2?
I mean, Risk of Rain.
Oh, are they not?
I don't remember them. To be fair, I did fucking die a lot, so I could have just like not faced them at all.
Sorry. How much would you pay me not to activate the mountain shrine?
What?
How much would you pay me to not activate the mountain shrine?
Maybe dead 50,000.
$50,000.
I'll pay you with my life.
Okay,
Which I'm
sounds
about
good.
to lose.
Why?
Because I don't know if you know, but I'm a bit under-equipped and, you know, just generally not good at this game.
It's my first time playing and I'm whooping your ass. What's up,
Well,
Tony?
how would you suggest I go about playing?
I don't know. Get more notes?
Bitch.
Oh, what are you doing here?
I followed you. Died.
You have a mask or something?
No.
Why are there ghosts of enemies then?
It's my equipment.
Oh. I'm gonna go look for that teleporter.
Here, I'll go look for it for you. Oh, it's
For
just
me?
over this way. Yeah.
Do you know where it is? Oh, here it is.
It's literally just over the direction.
Oh, you're dead.
Nah, really?
I didn't even notice you died.
She was dead. I think you just don't listen.
I got a leeching seed. That's actually kind of hype in this game.
Why is it more hype in this game than the other?
Because healing is more valuable in this game. It feels like.
Yeah. Sorry, Blake, I don't know if there's any sharp glass. Table glass.
Eat the glass. Eat the ass.
Eat it fast.
Are we fucking having a rhyming contest over here?
Epic rap battles of history! Story! I'm about to die.
Sorry! Versus Cross Beacon!
2, 1.
I don't
Healing fruit! Okay, we're good.
I don't know how to rap.
Oh god. I'm fucked. Yeah.
Hi,
I
my
could
name is
make an
Ross, and
attempt
this is
at
a
rap.
trap. I have no fucking idea how to rap.
That was fun. Oh, I unlocked gasoline. As an item.
Yummy!
As an item that can
I
drop.
also
Oh,
unlocked
I unlocked
Lost Doll.
I unlocked backup.
Enforcer, I love
Enforcer.
Enforcer, I think.
Province Trials. Bandit, yep. Okay, and that's it.
I'm in possession of wood.
Of weed?
Of wood.
Of wood. Weed
Yes.
or wood?
Wood.
Oh, it's fun.
I'm
Oh.
playing Sea of Thieves.
Oh, well, now you're gonna do something with us, bitch.
Maybe we should play Sea of Thieves, okay?
Got him.
How much is it right now?
I don't know. It was on sale not terribly long ago.